The best pancakes for your health. Easy, energizing, and truly nourishing. Tired of so-called healthy pancakes that leave you bloated, tired, or hungry again in an hour? Let's go back to what truly nourishes. These pancakes are different. Based on time-honored traditional wisdom, they use simple, real ingredients. High-quality eggs, wheat flour, milk, butter, and a little sugar and salt. No nut flours, no trendy seeds, no weird additives, just pure, energizing food that supports all 5 organ systems. They're not only easy to digest, they're energizing, calming to the mind, and satisfying to the body. This recipe works for both kids and adults, for breakfast or a quick, nourishing meal. Each ingredient has a purpose. Milk and eggs nourish your spleen, lungs, heart, and kidneys. Wheat flour calms your spirit and strengthens digestion. A bit of sugar and salt bring balance and harmony to the whole system. Butter and honey add warmth and support healthy immunity and skin. These pancakes don't just taste amazing, they help your body heal, energize, and feel balanced. So if you're looking for the best pancake recipe for your health and digestion, this one delivers. Check the comment below for the full recipe. Head to totallifeenergyplan.com to learn more, and don't forget to check out our Life Energy diet video playlist right here on the channel.